Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna be opening 5 toys right here. So these are Heli Sanrio. And there's 9 there's 9 of them. They're different kinds. And here's the other one. And here's Mermaid Slime Surprise. And other one. And we also have Shroomshi Mushy Cumpins Cakes. That's one of these. So let's get started in doing the little one. So I'm gonna open the pink one. So I'm back here. So my mom is gonna open that mermaid slime thing very hard. There. So there's a pink shell. Whoa. Look. That looks so cool. There's something in here because it's a surprise. It's a mermaid. It's a purple mermaid. Let me get that slime off. Purple mermaid. So, here's a purple mermaid. Then I'm gonna put her in the shell. Got some pink slime. It breaks. It's breakable. It's breakable, and I can't stretch it. But I can stretch that much. Don't stretch it too hard, but it's real good. Look. It's very cool slime. So I'm gonna put that back in. Very cool. So I put it back in. So I'm gonna come back with a part 2 because I don't want my video to be too long. So I'm gonna open these when I come back. So I'll be back with a part 2. So I'm with the part 2. So I'm gonna open another mermaid slime surprise. This one is purple. That's what I showed you. I don't know what I'm saying there. Mike, can you open it? Oh, wait, sorry. Sorry, guys. So, I'm back. So, I'm going to open the purple one. Whoa. Oh, the mermaid's so different. I like these colors. I like that color. Look. Blue, I love purple and blue only. Sorry, I'm moving it. Oops, I'm moving it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the blue mermaid. The blue mermaid. So I'm gonna put it right there. So I'm gonna play with this one. Look at this purple. That purple is light. Looks like white. Bright white, that rhymes. Just need to wait to go it longer. My mom is watching something. So, it's really stretchy. This one is stretchy. Let's make a poopy. There you go. I'm gonna poopy. Take a picture. We'll put this back inside. I'm seeing something. I don't know why. So, let's go read this one. Oh wait, it has a wrapper. They all purple too. They all. My mom's watching something. Don't worry about it. So. Okay. So excited. I know what I got. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's bright in the front. So. Can't open it that way. I'll take out the sticker and the wrapper. So, let's open it. So, here's the purple one. This time it's different than the other one because mine was purple and now this one only have pink and yellow. This is a new one. Look. It's pink and yellow. Mine's is only pink. The purple bottle. Over there. I think it's over there. I think it's that. That's in the cup. Blind bag. Oh no, I'm gonna just take this out and then do that blind bag. Okay. You're supposed to see it though. But you already see that, I don't care. Well. Blah. This video up.
Just sit down and finish your video.
blueberry pie. Blueberry pie. It's so cute. Okay. So, here it is. It's an owl. These things there. And that's what he looks like. Of course. And I'm not gonna call him anything. I don't know what to call him, but I think it's in here. Actually, they probably they saying like, what's my name? Okay, not down there. No, not there. No. Wait, I think it's... No. I don't see her. But, oh, his name is Ubery Owl and Bethy Blueberry Pie. That's what it's called. So I love this thing. It's really cute. It's a pie. And the owl is okay. So it says right, it's right there. It's squishy too. And also the pie only is a little bit. It comes out easily. And it has a bottle. You can take this out. And you pick this. You can hang them two in. I can't put that in. So I'm back. So that was just a song. So I squished it. So this is the end of the video. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye. Mwah.